Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Apple just wrapped up their big jaw-dropping event, and there's a lot to cover, from brand new AirPods to updates on the Apple Watch lineup, and of course the brand new iPhone 17 family, including the super thin iPhone Air. Let's go step by step and break down everything Apple announced today. AirPods Pro 3. Apple kicked off the event with the brand new AirPods Pro 3. These bring some impressive upgrades. They now have a built-in heart rate sensor, which means they're not just for listening anymore, but also for health tracking. The active noise cancellation is said to be Apple's most powerful yet, up to 4 times stronger than before. They also introduced live translation features, where you can actually hear and even see translations instantly when paired with your iPhone, and battery life has improved, now lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge. The price is $249. Pre-orders starting today, shipping the 19th of September. Next, Apple moved on to the watches, and this year, we got updates to 3 different models. Apple Watch Series 11, starting around $399. It adds new health features like sleep scoring and hypertension tracking. Plus, it's got 5G built in for faster connectivity and improved durability. Apple Watch Ultra 3. This is the adventure model, priced around $799. It comes with a bigger, brighter display, satellite messaging for emergencies, and battery life that can last up to 42 hours. Apple Watch SE 3rd generation, starting at about $249. This one now has an always-on display, a faster S10 chip, and even sleep apnea detection. So, no matter if you're casual, fitness-focused, or extreme outdoorsy, Apple had something new in the watch lineup for everyone. iPhones. Now, the moment everyone was waiting for the iPhones, Apple announced the full iPhone 17 lineup. And here's how it went down. iPhone 17. This is the standard model, priced at $799. It brings a brighter display, better battery life, a new A19 chip, and upgraded dual 48MP cameras. iPhone 17 Air. This was a surprise highlight. The iPhone Air is the thinnest iPhone ever, just 5.6 millimeters thick. Built with titanium, it has a 6.3-inch display, eSIM only, and features a dual 48MP camera system. Price starts at $999. iPhone 17 Pro, starting at $1,099. This model now comes with 256GB storage as the base option. It's got a triple 48MP camera system, vapor chamber cooling for performance, and up to 39 hours of video playback. iPhone 17 Pro Max. Finally, the big one, priced at $1,199. It shares the same Pro features but in a larger size for those who want the ultimate experience. All iPhone 17 models will be available for pre-order this Friday and officially launch on the 19th of September. And that's everything Apple announced at their big event. AirPods first, then watches, and finally the iPhones. Honestly, the iPhone Air might be the star of the show, just because of how crazy thin it is. But I want to know what you think. Are you upgrading this year? Or are you sticking with your current device? Let me know in the comments below.